Okay, so here we are with Maddy inside this dark, it's quite a dark alley, you can't really see looking through there, but what I'm doing here, I've got Kerry on the right hand side with the Pro Photo, and I've got another Pro Photo lighting up the back to give Maddy a little bit of separation on her hair. Otherwise she might get lost in that background a little bit. So I'm on 1/80th of a second, I'm on 1.8 and I'm ISO 200. So I'll focus on Maddy's face, and we'll have a look and see how the shot looks. So I'll just check on the back. I think it looks gorgeous. Yeah, that's fine. Kerry, can you just put that up just a touch, go to 5? So that one on the right hand side is on 5, the other one's on 4. Okay, Maddy. Let me just check that. Yeah, that's pretty. So I'll come in a bit tighter on this way. I'm going to come down nice and low. It's always good to, if you can, shoot models nice and low. Gives them a really nice look. I'm using face detect, so if she turns away it does cause issues. So I'm going to focus with using the back button focus, which is what I use all the time. Let me just check those, Maddy. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Looks pretty. See with the backlight there?
Oh yeah.
So it gives you a bit of light there. Okay, next girl. You okay holding that?
Yeah.
So this is Ebony. So again, I don't have to change any settings. I'm just going to use the same, because I'm using manual, everything is basically going to be constant, so I'm still using 100th of a ISO 100, and I'm on 1.8, and I'm on 80th of a second. Now I'm just going to come in a bit tighter. Using face detect here. Just let me check the lighting, Ebony. Yeah, it's pretty. Let me come back, we'll do a few more. Very dark under here now. Yeah, let me get a couple more tight this way. Okay. Yeah, the wind's coming, it's changing. Okay, next girl.
Are we going anywhere else?
Nah, this is it.
This is?
Yep.
Oh.
Until tonight.
Yep.
Yeah. Hopefully the torrential rain's passed by then. Yeah. Yep, back a fraction further, Taylor. Yeah, about there. Okay, so this is Taylor. It's a very dark alley in here, or laneway, between the trees with all the foliage. So I am using the Zeiss Batis 85, and I'm on 1/80th of a second, 1.8, and I'm on ISO 200. I've got Kerry on the right hand side with the Pro Photo, that's on half power, and I've got another assistant behind the bushes that's going to separate Taylor from the background with a grid on the light. So I'll just get a focus point. Just let me check that, Taylor. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. All right. So I'm doing some wider ones, and then I'll actually come in a bit tighter. The dress is blown beautifully too. So I'm going to come in a bit tighter. Gorgeous. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Lovely. It's amazing. Wind's really picking up. Yep, we're done. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, beautiful. This is Ashley. So come a fraction that way, Ashley, if you can. Bit more. That's it, right there. Perfect. So this is Ashley. Again, I'm 1/80th of a second, 1.8, the Zeiss Batis. And I'm on ISO 200. Now I might change a bit here. I might go to ISO 350 and then, so then I can up the shutter speed to 1/25th. I'll just do a test.
Oh, that's really bright.
Yeah, I'm going to go a fraction more up. I'll go 160. Yeah, that'll be alright, I think. Yep. Okay, so look this way. So I'm 200th of a second I've decided to use. I'll just check that and make sure it's right, and then we can fire away. Yep, they're fine. Kerry, can you just turn that down? Just go to 4. I just want to adjust this. It's getting darker, so the light's having more power. Go down to 3. Yeah, it's getting darker and darker, so you do have to adjust your lights. I'll check that and see. It should be right now. Yeah, it's perfect, I think. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. It's really pretty in here. Now I'm coming in tight, so, well, it's still full body, but yeah, that's beautiful, Ashley. Just let me check some of these. Yeah. Yeah, they'll be